Hi, I'm Vicky. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're just joining me, thank you for being here. Today I'm just going to really show you a quick little tutorial of how to unpick overlocking stitching. So if you do lots of sewing, if you do lots of upcycling, chances are you spend a fair bit of time unpicking. This was magic when someone showed me this. I'd been unpicking all the looper threads and it was just taking forever. And someone showed me that all you need to do is this. So I threaded up my overlocker with 3 different colours so you can see where they are. So I've threaded it with black and grey for the 2 looper threads and white for the needle. This is single needle, 3 thread. So to unpick it, all you need to do is unpick the white thread. So that's the thread that goes through the needle. And you can see that thread is the one that's holding down all the looper threads. So as I unpick this, pull that one out. So now I've pulled that out, you can see that has released all the looper threads and my overlocking is unpicked. This is how it looks with 2 needles. So I've inserted a second white thread to show you the second needle thread. And again, we just do exactly the same thing, but this time we're going to unpick both of the white threads. You can see as I unpick both of those, that again releases those threads that go around the edge. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Like I said, I was so happy the day somebody showed me how to do this. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know if there's any other tutorials you'd like to see. I upload new videos every Sunday, Monday and Wednesday. Catch you soon.